Okay, so I'm now going to show you how to create a basic formula subtraction. We want to take away, we've got customers, we've got total bill, we've got amount currently paid, and we want to find out how much is still owed. Every formula starts with an equal sign. So we do our equals. You can manually type in the column letter, which is C, and the row number, which is 2. Take away column B, row 2. Doesn't really matter if it's a capital letter or not, it will give you the same outcome. Notice there is a minus. This means that your formula is incorrect, so you need to make sure that you're putting the correct cell in the correct place. Okay, so if we do C2, take away B2, we know it's going to be a minus. What we want to do is we want to take away this number from here. So we put the biggest number first, take away 50, press enter, it gives us the correct answer. I'll do that again. Equal sign. Total bill, which is the largest number, 85. Take away the amount currently paid, which is the 35. We press enter. Instead of typing it out again, and again, we just simply click on the bottom right, drag down. 2 ways you can check if it's the correct formula. You double click and it highlights the 2 cells, or you can just click on the cell and then here in the formula bar, it will show you what the formula is, equals this cell, take away that cell. Double click, double click, double click, and so on.